Welcome to the Vinacooking YouTube channel. Today I'm going to introduce you to a traditional Vietnamese dish, braised fish. Clean about 400 grams of catfish with lemon and salt to remove any fishy odor. Now I'm going to chop up a shallot. Shallots give our braised fish that signature Vietnamese aroma and help get rid of any fishy smell. These are Vietnamese scallions, a classic ingredient you'll find in almost every Vietnamese dish. Next, I'm going to marinate the fish with 3 teaspoons of fish sauce. Fish sauce is Vietnam's most iconic seasoning. It's packed with umami and has a truly distinctive taste. Now I'm adding 2 teaspoons of sugar, 1 tea seasoning powder, a pinch of black pepper and a bit of chili sauce. Then I'll let the fish sit and marinate for about 11 minutes to soak up all those delicious flavors. Next, I'll make a caramel sauce using some cooking oil and 2 teaspoons of sugar. This step adds that beautiful golden color to the braised fish. It's a classic technique in Vietnamese cuisine. Now, gently flip the fish so it can soak up the marinade evenly. Make sure to be really gentle here, we don't want to break the fish. Next, I'm adding 100 ml of water to the pan and simmering the fish on medium heat for about 5 minutes. By then, the fish will be fully cooked, tender, and packed with flavor. I'm carefully flipping the fish one last time to make sure both sides are well coated in all that delicious sauce. For the final touch, I'm adding some chopped scallions to boost the flavor and aroma. Then we'll turn off the heat and it's ready to serve. I'm finishing it off with a sprinkle of black pepper to really bring out that amazing aroma. This dish is perfect with a bowl of steamed rice and some classic Vietnamese sour soup on the side.